Is your Canon MF656Cdw bay printing perfectly, but refusing to scan on Windows 11? Here's how to fix it in under a minute.
This usually happens because of outdated ScanGear drivers, Windows updates, network communication issues, or missing Canon MF Scan utility software. First, download the latest Windows 11 drivers and MF Scan utility for the MF656Cdw directly from Canon's support website. Installing the newest ScanGear driver resolves many scanning issues. Canon has also published guidance for Windows 11 24H2 scanning problems, including reinstalling MF drivers after applying Microsoft's fixes when applicable. Next, remove the printer from Windows, restart your PC, then add the printer again. Windows will detect the scanner and reload the required services. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure your PC and printer are connected to the same network. Also disable any VPN before scanning. If your Canon MF656Cdw scanner is working again, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Canon printer troubleshooting tips, Windows fixes, and setup guides.